everyone, my name is Kriti Kanan Khosh.
Rajan Singh Rajput.
Lalita. Priya, I took the Memoneet subscription.
मुझे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी, ब्रह्मास्त्र सीरीज के अंदर जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे वो सारे एनसीईआरटी लाइन बाय लाइन है. ऐसे एनसीईआरटी की कोई भी लाइन नहीं होगी जो उसमें मिस हो.
And type of questions, assumptions and types, true false types and many more.
The quality of questions you will never see in any other institute papers.
I gave the first test. I was very surprised that all of the questions in physics and chemistry sections were very NCERT based and very relevant to the NEET exam pattern.
Last year 2023, almost 98% questions have come from only Memoneet. This was the best thing forever.
It was only possible with the help of the Brahmastra Revision Patrika, the Brahmastra Test Series and the amazing mentorship of Lotha Plus batch of Memoneet in the Telegram channel.
This series has given me a lot of confidence for this upcoming NEET examination. And this series covers everything very well and provide high conceptual questions along with my names and formulas for easy and fast revisions.